say that this Places of Worship Act is a pretty controversial piece of legislation, and again very convenient for the other side, because they say that you would have read about this particular act, right? And I think there's a PIL that was filed against it. So this comes in very handy at a time like this, when they say that, look, after 1947, whatever is the structure, that's what it's going to be, and you can't claim, to what the structure could have been before 1947.
No, but there is another thing along with the Places of Worship Act. There is something called the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act too, of 1958. So again, people have to be very careful as to what exactly this act is. From what I have understood is, every case is going to be different. Ayodhya eventually was settled as a title suit, as a property suit, right? The court did not consider, which is very interesting and shocking to me, because the archaeological evidence of 1,000 pages was just glaring and overwhelming. But in this case, this is not a property dispute. I don't know. Say today, did you notice Justice Chandrachud's observation? He has stayed it, but what did he say? He said, they have found a shivling. Now we have to protect that area. Justice Chandrachud has categorically said you have to protect that area now. Well, you found a shivling now.
But the Muslims can continue to do their spitting.
They can pray outside.
Around the area, but not in it.
They can't do wuzu now. They can't do wuzu.
Okay.
Because it's found in that wuzu area. So the interesting bit about this whole episode is, how are we going to build on this? This is going to be a legal cluster F, if I was to say. We have to come up with new ways of interpreting this. And look, best of luck to everyone who's going to tell, especially in the Ayodhya, Kashi, Mathura. These are cases where, I don't know how to say it, but by Hindu give up to nahi karne wale.
And what's important to understand?
The Ayodhya case was settled on the faith issue, right? Subramaniam Swamiji had come up with this. And
title. It was a property title suit, and it was settled as a title suit eventually in the court. So it had nothing to do with faith. Over here, I think it is going to be that, what if that Shivalingam is carbon dated, and it carbon dates to say 400 years, 500 years ago? What is it doing there? Is the court going to say, oops? The court can't do that then. So,
and the thing is, what's important to remember here also is that with issues like the Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir, the Kashi and Mathura, this is very dear to Hindus, and this is where Hindutva comes in, where if you remember the Ram Janmabhoomi movement was not a Kayasth movement or a Baniya movement or a Brahman movement or a this movement. It was a genuinely Hindu movement. Every single caste, every single bloody subcaste in India was involved. Every single one said ki hamara caste nahi matter karta, we want these temples back. This is exactly what is going to happen with Kashi and Mathura as well. And so, this is not a situation in which I can ever see the Hindus backing down. And nor should they.
We shouldn't also. I think we should really dig our heels in and say, sorry, boss, not happening.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.